Hi, my name is Mikey Botti, and this is my 2020 A90 Supra. Currently it has built 3.2. It's a custom prototype motor. It has a Precision 7275 Gen 2, and on 48 pounds of boost makes right around 1,200 wheel horsepower. Best pass of the weekend was an 823 at 168. Looking forward to get the Pure transmission, stage 3 transmission in next week so we could dial up the boost a bit and get that 790 pass. It's definitely there now. We just have to keep the taller gears tame to have the car shifting because it makes well over 1,000 foot-pounds of torque where it counts. But yeah, it's been a blast evolving with the car. It's been on the 6870 for the last year and a half, making right around 1,080, 1,100 horsepower. Stock ECU with the Visconti Reflex and the Visconti port kit. Looking to get into the 76 millimeter range. Not so soon. I really want to try to get the 7 on a 72. I think we could go mid-7s on a 76, but I don't think our know-how is quite there yet in terms of getting these cars off the line without the help of nitrous, which I don't want to use anymore. The car has no nitrous. It has a nitrous kit, no bottle. We used to run nitrous on the 6870 back when we couldn't really figure out boost off the line. So we eliminated nitrous a while ago, probably 6-8 months ago. So this is all boost. We're able to get the 72 off the line really, really well. The 3.2 liter engine helps with the extra torque. It's like an extra 90 foot-pounds at the launch, which really, really helps. The setup is overall, I don't want to call it basic, but it's just 3.2 cams, big precision turbo, and intercooler, EOS. We switched to the EOS intercooler, and our temps have actually dropped even more so than our last few intercoolers we've tried, or intake manifolds, I should say.